Connecting AliExpress to your Big Cartel store for dropshipping is a streamlined process that allows you to sell products without ever touching inventory, and in just 90 seconds, I'll show you how. First, you need an active AliExpress account. Head over to AliExpress.com and complete the simple registration process by entering your email, creating a strong password, and confirming your details. Next, ensure your Big Cartel store is set up and ready to receive products. Log into your Big Cartel dashboard and familiarize yourself with the products section. To efficiently import products, you'll need a reliable dropshipping app or browser extension. Popular choices include Sirs, which integrates directly with AliExpress and many e-commerce platforms. Install your chosen app's extension to your browser. Now browse AliExpress for products you wish to sell. Once you find a promising item, click on the product page. Your dropshipping app's extension will typically display an Import to Store button. Click this button, and the app will pull the product details. After importing, navigate back to your Big Cartel dashboard. The imported product should now appear in your products section, likely as a draft review, and edit the product description, pricing, images, and variants to optimize them for your audience. Publish the product, and it will become live on your Big Cartel store when a customer places an order. Your dropshipping app will help you fulfill it directly through AliExpress. Simply purchase the item from the AliExpress seller, providing your customers shipping details. The AliExpress seller ships the product directly to your customer, and you keep the difference. Remember, communication is key with your suppliers for smooth order fulfillment and tracking. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've connected AliExpress to Big Cartel, empowering you to start your dropshipping venture without the burden of inventory management.